Squishies, and today we're gonna do another squishy haul. So let's get started. By the way, I'm in my sister's jumper because it's freezing today. So let's get to it. The first squishy is gonna be this little bun, and it's got a face on. So squish it. Can you see it, all guys? Squish it one more time. So that is that squishy. Then we're gonna go on to the toast. It's a panda toast. So come close and I'll squish it for you. Squish it one more time because it's so soft. There you go. Then I've got this carrot, slow rising carrot. That smells delicious. So we're gonna squish it. Then we have this panda bun. Squish it for you guys. Then we have two cats. So this is my sister's. Let me squish it for you guys. It smells quite nice. And now mine. That's the end of the video. Hope you subscribe and do the bell. So